Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you recover deleted emails from Gmail on iPhone. So guys, to recover it, just go to your Gmail app. Now for example, I'm going to delete this and clicking this top or this right icon, trash bin, and here you can see the email has been deleted. Now after deleting, if I want to get it back, just click this in the top left, this three dash icon, and here you will see this trash bin icon. Just click on this trash bin. Now after that, here you can see this email has been here. If I want to recover it, just click the top right, this three dot icon, and here you can see move. Click on move, click on your primary or social. After that, here you can see it has been moved to primary. Now if we go to primary, you will see this notification. Here you can see. So guys, that's how you can recover deleted emails from iPhone. So guys, hope you find it helpful. If you have find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.